I'm studying first standard. My project name is measurement of time. One in 1 minute. In 1 minute, we have 60 minutes, 60 seconds. In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. In 1 day, we have 24 hours. In 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 one week, we have 67 days. In 1 month, we have 4 weeks. In year, in 1 year, we have 52 weeks. 1 year, 365 days. 1 decade, 10 years. 1 century, 100 years. 1 million, 1,000 years. Leap year, 366 days. Thank you.